Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's amazing Ingenious tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. ESA Tools Silicone Cartridge Tip Cutter. In the patented labor-saving design, you only use two figures to open the diagonal and straight cut to meet the needs of the job. This cutter is sharp enough with 420 blades, which can be used to continuously cut silicone nozzles effortlessly and for different jobs you may need to do, such as cutting plastic, PVC, etc. Beamnova Mini Electric Tabletop Miter Saw. Beamnova Electric Power Miter cuts a wide variety of materials such as wood, metal, plastic, and resin. It is suitable for different shapes of material, such as pipes, square tubes, miniature molds, etc. Ideal for small hobbies and crafts. The protractor at the bottom allows the material to be cut from 0 to 45 degrees. Half of the blade is covered in a protective shell to protect the operator from accidentally hurting their hand. Capro's 985 teraliters Titan was built to meet the hefty demands of the job site and provide stellar accuracy. It features a specially designed, shock-absorbing surface along its entire length, a magnified vial, and a finely milled base for added accuracy. With an impressive accuracy of 0.5 millimeters per meter and a lifetime warranty on vial accuracy, the 985 teraliters ensures top performance, anywhere, anytime. Hydraulic External Pipe Clamps. Hydraulic external pipe clamps have a wide gap, which allows the welding of the root up to 90% before removing the clamp. Edge misalignment can be eliminated by means of jack screws or a wedge which is placed under the alignment bridge. The air gap can be adjusted by means of chisel. The hydraulic cylinder, which is available as an option, operates in all positions and can be used for all pipe diameters. The external line-up clamp is available in a medium, heavy, and heavy-duty version for pipes from 12 to 80-inch diameter. Disston Plus 5-in-1 Workbench. The Augmentable Plus is a workbench, clamping table, scaffold, dolly, and creeper all in one. The adjustable height legs can be extended, shortened, or collapsed to 3 different heights to accommodate your work needs. Compact, portable workbench is lightweight at only 29 pounds and can be easily stored in your workshop, garage, or home. PiCo Multitool Wrench with 7 tools. It is portable and easy to take anywhere and put to good practical use daily. Lightweight size fits perfectly in a pocket. It is best for camping, fishing, hiking, cooking, hunting, picnics, home, road trips, DIY, or any outdoor activities and more. With 7 tools: pliers, wire cutter, flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, wrench, knife, lightweight design, and removable pocket clip, a wrench multi-tool is always within reach and ready to work. Picopipe is a handheld blasting tool intended for smaller pipe surfaces difficult to access with the Pi Blaster. It is easy to handle and comes in various sizes depending on the surface to be treated. Picopipe is quite simply moved across the area requiring treatment. Pressure-controlled aluminum oxide is then blasted onto the surface, which is left thoroughly clean. When Picopipe has done its work, the quality of the surface will be as new. In addition, the process treats the edges of any existing paint, and the remaining primer provides an excellent contact surface. The point-blasted surface can thus be post-treated without any delay. Kidde's 2-story fire escape ladder keeps you prepared for the possibility of a fire or other emergencies. It provides the means for a quick and easy escape from a 2-story home and features strong and durable construction, and it's easy to use. It attaches quickly to most common window frames. Its tangle-free design makes it fast and easy to deploy. Anti-slip zinc-plated steel rungs prevent slipping and ensure a safe descent. Rockler Speed Cope Crown Molding Jig. Cut crown and base molding the easy way with this innovative jig. Speed Cope lets you make tricky cope cuts with ease for perfect molding faster. It adjusts to handle most moldings up to 74 inches wide, 45 and 90 inside miters, flat miters, and base, chair, and panel moldings. Speed Cope requires only a power jigsaw for use. The PAMFast Autofeed screw system is specifically designed for professional contractors, providing a smooth, fast, and easy installation. Smooth Advancement technology delivers consistent screwdriver without jams and stripped outfits. This whole home fastening solution is a 2-in-1 tool that easily converts for both stand-up and handheld applications. Your subfloor, drywall, decking, and many other building projects will be done in a fraction of the time, ready to grow. The Carton Ninja is an essential tool to save time and money on your shipments. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.